Hello everyone, Steamboat Productions back here again with a extremely special video. This is my first review of a Thomas Wooden Railway item. Okay, so before you say anything, I know this pack is in extremely bad condition. But yeah, so we're taking a look at the rheneas and the Rock Crusher cars. 3-pack. So, I guess we could take a look at rheneas. Very weird looking. It's a weird thing with learning curve, where luckily I got some examples up over here where they did the same with their take-along Duncan, where they give him white wheels, including Annie and Clarabelle. They did with a whole bunch of other characters as well, but yeah, you could tell that this rheneas is extremely old because he's got sun-faded nose. His magnets are just disgustingly rusty. Like, big old chip in the cab. But I have a soft spot for this odd interpretation of rheneas. Yeah, he's in the odd purple color that is also visible on his taken place / Ertl model. Taken place better. Sue me. Let's take a look at the rolling stock. So this is the Center Island Quarry quarry truck. Very nice one. I really want to get like a whole line of these. But I'm not a wooden railway collector. I'm a Brio collector because, I don't know, Thomas fans can be a bit stingy nowadays. But yeah. Oh yeah, the Boulder car, that's what it's called. Very, very nice one. Nothing much to say. Nice rock detail. Last one is the most interesting thing from this pack, is the cover conveyor belt car. So basically you turn this knob and it have the rocks move forward, because it's like it's getting crushed with the rocks right here. But yeah. So I guess I could just run them around the layout. Yeah, that's the review of the rheneas and the Rock Crusher car 3-pack. A very interesting item. A very weird looking rheneas and 2 very nice pieces of rolling stock. So yeah. Bye.